I'm coming down a hill this morning and I thought I'd show it to you. This is, I guess it's a mountain, technically. This is how a switchback works. You come down that way. Now I've seen a lot of other videos and I agree the elevation never seems to come out the truth. But that's about 8-10 feet, somewhere in that range up at that turn and at this turn. And by the time you get over to there, it's another, I'd say the difference between the two of them is 20-25 feet between that spot and that spot. And I've been doing it for about 20 minutes, and I'll probably be doing it for another 20. Look over there at that horizon. We won't get many more like this through the trees because they're starting to bud and everything else, you see. And then they'll fill in and cover the sky and make it very dark. But when I can get them, we'll get them. And look at this. It's a moss, but it's different colors. You got green, you got brownish green, and you got just very, very dark green. Even darker than OD. And then you got black. And 2 different shades, or 3. So there's a lot of little fascinating sights that you won't be getting. But I am glad I got past Neels Gap yesterday. 25% of people quit when they get there. They realize that they're not doing it and they're over their head or whatever. They got that far, which is an accomplishment. I'm not trying to, because I mean 2 years ago I didn't even get up the hill to the starting line. I got 2 days on the approach trail and I had to regroup. So, and I'm still, I'll make it this time I think, but it's still not easy. So, and now that I'm getting somewhere, I would like everyone to know that I've had a double lung transplant and I'm out here hoping to inspire organ donation. So donate your organs, people. You can bring life to someone. There's a view. It's a lunch spot with a view. I should probably walk around a little bit so you can see what a lunch spot looks like. I walked up, there was a gentleman and here sitting there, and I looked and he invited me over to have a seat with him because it looks like such a nice spot. We had a 5 or 10 minute lunch, finishing up my crackers, and then I looked at my watch and it's only really 11:11. So, but it's a nice day. It's a little breezy, but when you're actually walking, it's not bad. Because you get hotter and it cools you off. Sitting down is a little chilly. And in my definition, that's perfect weather for this kind of thing. I'm going to talk while wow. I can see, like, I don't know what it is. Like, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows back on the mountains. Could be a village, could be a town. I don't know what it is. Could be strip mining for all I know. Except this is mostly park area, so I doubt that. And there's 2 or 3 rows behind that. We're still up pretty high, but I've been going flattish to downish for a while. And you do run into some characters out here. Lost soul from the area. He does this like just for fun. He does like 20 miles here. But he's in great shape. And he's my age. Oh. Anyhow, he gave him good directions to the water site. And the poor guy, he got 500 feet from us, and then he started looking at every tree, and I felt bad for him. He's a nice guy. He's not a bad guy. But I really don't want to spend a couple hours with him. Alright. I guess I don't have anything constructive to say. Except I'm sure everybody will be at these spots before me. Let me turn on the phone and make sure nobody's trying to get in touch with me. I meant to look it up before I got the camera out. I will go ahead and look it up while I sit down here, or just after I sit down. Look at that. That is gorgeous, isn't it? Postcards by the handful. Okay. I'm going to sit down now and try and do this. Upload a little bit on Facebook. Same basic picture. Alright. Oh, hang on. Let me see if I can get the... Alright, the picture got a little funny. I want to get it in the same clip. See if I can figure out where it do be. Okay. This is find my location. And this is Wolf Laurel Top. It helps if you put your glasses on. It also raises your intelligence by 15 points. Anybody who's seen a Hollywood movie knows that. Or a TV show. So what's up here? That's Wolf Laurel Top. I'll show you on the map. Of course, between the two things not being held steady, it probably looks awful. Okay. And what's up there? That is Wolf Laurel Top again. Okay. Evidently the other side, just a few feet up, is probably just as gorgeous. And I guess I've got 3 miles in for today, which kind of sucks. I was hoping for much more, but I am going to do more. Alright, bye-bye.